Hey everyone, it's Chris Goodell here again. So look, there's some recent changes happening in the finance space in the automotive industry. And what we're seeing is obviously with the increase that the Bank of Canada brought forth, a lot of the A lenders, so lenders like Scotia, RBC, CIBC, TD Prime, they've also increased their rates, not to something that we haven't seen before. What I mean is that the base rate that now they offer is around 6%. Now, what does that mean for you? What does that mean for all of us? So basically, I work with a lot of people that are on the B side. So that is still, TD, Scotia, dealer advantage, right? So the B side of Scotiabank, Carfinco, Rifco, Santander, etc. What the difference is that these banks have now become more appealing to us. Why do I say that? Well, in the B side, the lowest rate you can possibly get is around 10 to 11%. That's the lowest rate. Now before the A side, the gap was bigger, right? You get 3%, 4%, 5%. So that still left about a 5 or 6% gap. Now that gap is smaller. Now the gap between A and B is 4%, right? Which isn't a lot. So right now the B lenders are being very aggressive. They're being very open to how they do business. If you're paying anything more than 15, 16% and you've been in that position for the past 12 to 18 months, there's a good opportunity we could get you to a lower rate with the B side. And it doesn't require stellar credit. Now, if you do have stellar credit, it's like, Chris, I have stellar credit. What am I going to pay? Well, again, there are some alternatives on the A side that could get you a lower rate. Perhaps you look at special programs with special financing. But regardless, what I'm trying to say is that right now we're seeing a cool down period when it comes to the prices of the cars, which is the same thing happening in real estate. It is very similar with how it works in the automotive space. Right now we're seeing a cool down in prices on these vehicles because of the rates, which gives you an opportunity to still trade up and trade in. It still allows you to find a good deal on a pre-owned vehicle, which is where I kind of specialize in. If you want to look at new, we can, but I really do have access to, with the domestic, with the imports, with newer used. Specifically used though, because used is really where the market is kind of gone towards, and I can make sure that we get you a good finance package that we can then pair that up with a good vehicle, right? That's gonna cover all your needs, all your wants, and make sure that your family is taken care of, and make sure that you have a vehicle that you enjoy to drive, that you enjoy, because nowadays we spend so much time in our vehicles. Well, anyhow, thank you so much for watching this video. I look forward to speaking to you, and of course, like I said, I work one-on-one to make sure that we find the right package that's gonna cover all your needs and wants. So thanks so much for tuning in, and chat with you soon.